This vlog is the part 2 of my first ever visit to Paultons Park. If you haven't already, go back and watch the previous video where I explored their new themed area for the first time, Valgard, including their new signature coaster, Drakon. This video is of the rest of my day exploring the park for the first time, and I had such an amazing day. We're going to go and flight the pterosaur now. This should be really fun, never been on this before, only 20 minutes as well. Flight the pterosaur was riding very well then. I really enjoyed that. I think it actually rides better than the one at Fun Spot, which is surprising. But yeah, it was really fun. I enjoyed it. Welcome to Tornado Springs. This area looks amazing. There's just rides going around everywhere. Again, with Paultons, the landscaping looks absolutely fantastic. We're gonna go get some food. We were gonna go in the one in the new Valgard area, but it was so busy in there. So we're gonna try in here instead. Hopefully it's a bit quieter. It seems like most people in the park today are still in Valgard. Here we go, hopefully it's not as busy. Had a great meal there in the diner. We're going to go on Storm Chaser now. This really cool looking Mac, not extreme spinner, family spinner. Looks fantastic and I'm really excited to have a go on it.
There's 2 rows on the next one, please.
Beautiful queue line. Look at those trains. That's a very cool view. This park's beautiful. No. Let's go. Woo! I'm gonna do it backwards. Whoa! Whoa! Western area is beautiful, but we are going to go on Cyclonator now. Very excited for this. It'd be interesting to see how it compares to the Intamin ones like Evictus and the one at Drakon Manor that I can't remember the name of. But the area for this looks fantastic. introduced mode on Cyclinator, as you saw. That was really fun. It's nice to see this park's like slowly introduce more thrilling rides over time. But yeah, I really enjoyed Cyclinator. It was fantastic. I still think Invictus is better. Obviously, it's a much more thrilling version of it, but it was still really good. And those small ones are so much more intense than the bigger ones. Like Invictus is nowhere near as intense as that. But yeah, it was fantastic. Really enjoyed that. I forgot to mention, we actually went on Storm Chaser as well. Did you enjoy Storm Chaser?
Really?
Yeah, there's that one helix somewhere over there.
Very
it's way more intense than we were expecting it to be, but yeah, it was really good.
A lot of fun.
Very surprised by a Mac-friendly spinner. I've never done one before, but yeah, loved it. It's time for Ghostly Manor, my first ever time on this type of ride. I was just saying to you, I've not explained it so much, so I don't know what you're expecting. But
I have no idea.
it's going to be really cool. This was technically the first style of this ride. Another one has opened at Europa Park now, but I've been on neither of them, so yeah, really excited to get on this. Is he stuck? He can't get out. Whoa, the queue line theme is sick. Look at that.
Keep an eye out for OG, a formidable spirit who might just be the cause of this spectral crisis. He must be captured at all costs.
We just did Ghostly Manor. That was pretty fun. I really liked how it was a mix of screens and the physical sets were pretty good as well, especially that huge, what was it, like a rose or like,
Yeah.
I don't know, just a really angry flower. It was like really in your face. That was quite cool. The calibration was a bit off with the guns, hence the...
Yeah,
Mate,
you would say that though, wouldn't you?
Well, yeah, because I didn't do very well. The shooting aspect was pretty good. We were just saying the gardens are so beautiful here. You can spend so much time just walking around it. But we're going to head back over to Lost Kingdom to do probably the Vekoma Boomerang and then go back into Valgard. This park's gorgeous, look at that. The scenery is amazing. Let's go for a ride on Velociraptor now. Should be quite fun. Another Vekoma Boomerang to add to the collection. There's a dinosaur in the queue line. Look at him. Hello. Hi. There's dinos everywhere. This is like the Velocicoaster queue. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 raptors. Water coaster track over there. These normally hit the end of the lift hill with such a bang. Oh. Yeah. Whee! Oh, you'll hear that tree. Whee! Whee!
I thought we could just 5 PM. I thought that's what it was.
Yeah, that's the whole point.
Me when I tried making coasting fun.
Just had an awesome ride there on Velociraptor, or I kept nearly saying Velocicoaster, and then we're going to go back into Valgard now for another ride on Drakon. Oh, it looks incredible watching it go around there. What a coaster. It's the perfect fit for this area of the park. With all the theming and everything, it just looks fantastic. So cool. Look at the sheep. Whee! Whoa! Woo! So that was our second ride on Drakon. You had an inside seat this time instead of an outside seat.
I thought it was much better, very smooth.
Yeah, I love that ride. It's just
very nice.
It's fantastic. The whole themed area around just looks amazing as well. It's just the best themed area in the UK. They've outdone everybody, and it just looks insane. And, I mean, just look at the quality of the theme. It's fantastic. I really like this park. We're going to come over here on the grassed area now to get some amazing views of Drakon. I really love this coaster. It just looks fantastic. The whole themed area is such a complete package, and it just looks beautiful. There it goes. Oh, the views from here are so good. Oh, it's so cool watching it go around. Oh, what a ride, it's amazing. It's always time for one last credit. Farmyard Flyer, 5 minutes. Let's go. Chicken! Let's go. Very adorable Zero coaster. Got the propeller spinning. Oh yeah. What happens on that last corner? Oh, look how cute the ride area is. It's got a little runway. Oh, it was really nice. Very well themed kiddie coaster. And near credit completion as well. This park is beautiful. It really reminds me of Tripstraw, this section. So cool. I am very excited to be back at this park in about a month or so's time.
Skies as your own. And if Drakon should appear, you fight. This is valgard.
Uh-oh. Whee! Whoa! Oh, this is so much faster! Whoa! Woo! Can't keep my eyes open. Woo! Whoa! Woo!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 1
Had a final ride there on Drakon. That was really fun, especially in the rain. It was flying around so fast. You had an end seat again?
It's definitely rougher on the outside.
Yeah.
It's still not bad, but
I've still not had an end seat. I've only sat in the middle and it's been completely fine. I absolutely loved it. That first drop's so good as well because I think because of how short it is. It feels so forceful because there's like no room for like a pull out the bottom of the drop. But yeah, fantastic ride. I've loved today. But now it's raining a lot, so we're going to leave. So that's the end of both of our first ever times at Paultons Park. The weather's not been great towards the end of the day, but I don't know about you, I've had a fantastic time.
I was extremely impressed by this park.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Theming quality-wise, operations, the quality of the coasters, it seems quite far above most of the other UK parks.
Definitely.
They are very prepared for Universal, which is great. Let's just see if the other parks can catch up, I guess. But the new themed area, Valgard, Drakon, Raven, Will Swing, such a great combination of attractions. They all work so well together. The theming's amazing. And the event, I feel like for opening day, was organised pretty well.
Very well organised. There wasn't really any major problems. It's had a few bits of downtime, but only for about 5 seconds.
That's like
and then it
such
comes
short amount of downtime. It's funny. But yeah, it keeps getting stuck on the lift hill. We just had a very wet ride there. I'll try to include the POV from it. It was quite funny. And it was flying around as well. But yeah, I'll be back at this park in probably just over a month. But yeah, we had a great day and I'll see you next time. Thought I'd give a little review here at the end of the vlog of what I thought of my first ever day at Paultons Park. Like I said earlier, if you could hear me over the noise of that truck in the background, the opening day of Valgard was incredibly well organised. There was no rushing, they kept everything nice and controlled, so it was a really great opening day experience. All of the rides felt like they had small queues throughout the day, so I don't know whether they just capped tickets or that this park just has so many attractions. It made the day really enjoyable, and I really can't wait to get back to this park in just over a month. My first impressions from only having a day here, it just feels like a really nice place to be. It's got some great rides, great theming, and it's just a very well presented park. I hope you enjoyed this random little part 2 vlog of my first ever day at Paultons, and of course my first time experiencing their new themed area, Valgard. It was a fantastic visit and I can't wait to be back. I'll see you in the next one.